So, what can we do? As individuals, we all personally contribute to pollution, even if it's by accident. It's our responsibility to reduce our individual contributions. Now, while this may seem like one more task in our lives, a lot of what we can do is simple. To start the process of reducing pollution, we must look at our daily activities. Here are some examples of things we do where we can make simple changes. Maintain your car or truck. All that oil, grease, fluids, and gasoline can leak onto the ground and wash directly into our stormwater systems and ultimately our water bodies. Drive less. Combine errands when you drive. This also saves money, especially with the cost of gasoline these days. Cut down on fertilizers, pesticides, and herbicides. Excess fertilizers and pesticides applied to lawns and gardens wash off and pollute streams. In addition, yard clippings and leaves can wash into storm drains and contribute nutrients and organic matter to streams. Don't overwater your lawn. Consider using a soaker hose instead of a sprinkler. Use organic mulch or natural pest control methods whenever possible. Compost or mulch yard waste. Don't leave it in the street or sweep it into storm drains or streams. Replace part of your lawn with native, drought-resistant plants. You can learn about Florida-friendly landscaping where putting the right plant in the right place and reducing turf areas can reduce impacts to stormwater and reduce your lawn care time. Your County Extension Service office can be a great help for you. Pick up after your pets and keep animals out of streams. Pet waste can be a major source of bacteria and excess nutrients in local waters. When walking your pet, remember to pick up the waste and dispose of it properly. Pet waste should be flushed or deposited in the trash. Leaving pet waste on the ground increases public health risks by allowing harmful bacteria and nutrients to wash into the storm drain and eventually into local water bodies. Support your local stormwater or surface water program. Programs to maintain a community's stormwater system, prevent flooding, and protect natural resources may cost money in the short run, but save money in the long run by preventing damages to public and private property. Take advantage of opportunities to educate yourself and your family about your local watershed. Consider volunteering for stream restoration or other community projects. There may be a local pond or stream that needs a makeover or cleanup. Maybe consider replacing some plants in common areas. Get to know your neighbors and improve your community. Recycle or properly dispose of household products that contain chemicals such as insecticides, pesticides, paint, solvents, used motor oil, and other vehicle fluids. Many local governments have locations to drop off these materials or have amnesty days. Support conservation buffer areas that slow water runoff, trap sediment, and enhance filtration within the buffer. Buffers also trap fertilizers, pesticides, pathogens, and heavy metals. And they help cut down on blowing soil in areas with strong winds. In addition, they protect wildlife from harsh weather and buildings from wind damage. At work, even in an office, we can recycle materials, properly dispose of hazardous waste, and be prepared to clean up spills. Most commercial facilities have requirements for preventing pollution. Learn what your business is doing. If your house or business has a septic tank system, there's special care needed to protect both the environment and your family. Leaking and poorly maintained septic systems release nutrients and pathogens like bacteria and viruses that can be picked up by stormwater and discharged into nearby water bodies. Pathogens can cause public health problems and environmental concerns. Inspect your system every 3 years and pump your tank as necessary every 3 to 5 years. Don't dispose of household hazardous waste in sinks or toilets. All of these activities are simple and, once implemented, easily become habits. After all, we can all make changes for the better. It benefits the community and you as an individual. and it helps us maintain our quality of life.
So I guess it's pretty easy to reduce our pollution. Just give it some thought and change our habits. I can do that.
I think it's worth it.